Springbrook National Park is about an hour and a half drive from Brisbane and just under an hour from the Gold Coast. It's a scenic drive up the mountain and can be misty in the early morning. Hey guys, we've just made it to Springbrook National Park, which you can see behind me here, and we're going to head down and have a look at Twin Falls, which is down that way. So let's go! The first place to stop on the way is actually at the top of the falls. There are cascades on one side and a lookout on the other. It can look quite pretty when there is mist in the valley. The walk down, when the conditions are right, can be very mystical and feels like you are walking in a scene from a movie like The Enchanted Forest. To Twin Falls, as you can see behind me here, and it's absolutely stunning. It's one of my favourite waterfalls in the Gold Coast hinterland. It's about a 15 to 20 minute walk from the car park down to here, and there's so much to see on the way. The scenery is beautiful. There's little waterfalls and cascades on the way. It's a perfect day if you're into photography for taking photos here. We've got plenty of cloud cover. We got here quite early, so there was a lot of mist in the valley, which was really pretty to see as well. And you can swim in the water here too if you get a bit warm. There's also a walk behind the waterfall as well, which is quite cool to see. So yeah, why not check it out? When the waterfall is pumping with this much water, it can be tricky to photograph due to all the spray. Make sure that you have a cloth handy, and you will need to get a fair way back to shoot this waterfall. It's best to shoot from either side. If you would like to learn how to take photos of waterfalls or any other type of landscape photography, check out my online course, The Complete Guide to Landscape Photography. The link is in the description below. Another great waterfall in Springbrook National Park is this one here, Purlingbrook Falls, so let's go check it out now.
two different lookouts at Purlingbrook Falls where you can view the 100-metre high waterfall. You can also walk to the bottom of these falls, which takes about 30 minutes. Like the sign says, make sure you walk in a clockwise direction, otherwise you will be stuck with 450 steps on the way back up, and no one wants that. There is beautiful lush rainforest and cascades to check out on the way down, so this walk is really pretty too. When there has been a lot of rainfall, this waterfall is crazy with spray and mist. You will definitely get saturated, so take a rain jacket with you. You know that you are taking the right way back when you cross the suspension bridge. There are quite a few vantage points to see and photograph the falls on the way back up.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tour of Springbrook National Park and Twin Falls and Purlingbrook Falls. Hopefully you get a chance to come and check it out for yourself. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next week for another video. Bye!